Hey, yo. Yep. We're upside down under the truck. Working on the cat. And I don't know what they're gonna say when they run this up on the lift. But I had a terrible exhaust leak right here. And what's gonna take is a whole nother header, but we don't have to worry about that tonight. So the hole is up on top, and I done wrapped her up like an ace bandage with some exhaust wrap, and I got a piece of copper wire holding the ends down. So yeah, let's get out of here and get this thing started. I want to hear my exhaust. Oops. Get this light back on. Kind of out of luck without this light. It almost looks like another hole right here. Well, there's the thrush muffler. And the cat and the bandage and the header. Yeah, that looks like a hole right there. That better not be a hole. There's the rest of the exhaust. Yep, this underside of this truck is a real tetanus shot. I think I'm up to date on them. Alrighty. So what we need to do is start the thing. Get my light somewhat. Oh my goodness, I'm covered in dirt. Put three tabs to hold the stack on. What a hack job. Oh, and in the meantime, I did paint the bed, at least the top, with a couple cans of random junk that I had, because it's starting to rust. And in the process, try not to scratch this nice power stroke. There we go. Man, are my eyes full of dirt. Get the wipers going. There. Well, I can tell you something. Nothing sounds right. It doesn't even look like steam. Anyhow, I already hear an exhaust leak. Oh, and I see it too. I do believe the cat. Yeah, the cat still leaks. Yeah. Yeah, this whole side of the cat here has got a leak. I screwed it together with screws to kind of get the I don't know. So this area here has got a leak, and then this whole side here. gonna have to go and put more screws in there. Oh, there it is. Big truck smoke. Man, I can tell you ever I tell you. Put you guys up here. Give her a little rev. That actually does not sound too bad. Well, I'm gonna grab the camera stand. I think I'm gonna go for a spin. Yeah, you hear a little bit down here, and then most of it's up here. So, yeah, I think I can actually live with that. A little bit of a thing going on down here. I don't really like all the water. I was gonna run a big fat bead of silicone. Actually, the bottom of the stack is capped off, so I could run a ring of silicone and set the stack on there. That would be pretty legit, is what it would be. That way the water just runs. There's already a puddle right there. I don't know what the engine's trying to do. I'm amazed at the volume of exhaust the thing has got. This is a actually I'm not even sure what motor size it is, but my car is a 3-liter, and I don't seem to have that much exhaust. That's pretty sweet. I don't know. I suppose I could forego the... Yeah, screw that. It's good enough. The thing of it is I'm gonna probably have to put another cat in it. And if I do that, then why even bother? Why even bother doing what I'm doing? There we go. Gotta get that camera stand. Just back on out of here. Yeah, I might. Well, I can't actually. Oops, I got it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it's messing with the ringer right now because this is a dumb. I wish I could put the camera right here. Go like that. Boom. But you know what? It's not gonna work. I could actually use painter's tape. Man, I'm really tempted to. Well, I can't get to my phone. If this sucker fell down, we wouldn't be too happy. Let's see if I can put you guys on the dash. Whoa. Not on this dash, I can't. Here? Yeah, something like that. We'll have to see how that works. The thing idles super low. Alright. Going to reverse. Oh, I fixed my mirror. I can even see now. Tell you what. There's nothing like being able to see out your mirrors. Don't fall off of the thing now. Let's see if I can flip this around. Sorry. Exposure isn't the best. Hopefully the audio quality is. Imagine it still sounds like a Imagine she still sounds like a Toyota though. Here. Up here, get her turned around. Try and make sure there's no traffic. I like drive us off. Overdrive shouldn't be off. See, there's a button on the gear shift that you can hold in, and it says overdrive off, light goes off. I'm gonna go down into low and do some driveway peels. Oh, it's a 4x4. That's a no good. Stone. Oopsie. Yeah. Who see that? Who seen that coming? There it is. Oh man. Well, I'll see you guys. I gotta park this thing. Put my light back in the dash. Alright, hope I earned a thumbs up. See you guys around.